Welcome to Kelvin's Kitchen. On today's episode, we're making chicken and ham asopao. Stay tuned, coming right up. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Let's go over the ingredients. I am using 1 pound of chicken, 2 cups of ham, 3 carrots, 1 cup of frozen green peas, and 3 celery stems. I have here 4 tablespoons of sofrito, 1 teaspoon of adobo, 1 chicken bouillon cube, 1 cup of tomato sauce, some black pepper, olive oil, 1 cup of white rice, 4 cups of water, half a lime. I have my Instant Pot on high heat sauteing. Let's go ahead and put some olive oil and let it get nice and hot. Let's go ahead and season the chicken with the sofrito. Also add the adobo and your sazon. Let's mix the sofrito, the sazon, and the adobo well. And we're going to let the chicken marinate for 20 minutes. So the chicken marinated for 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and saute the chicken. You want to add the rest of your sofrito into the pot. That's going to bring all the flavors together. Let's saute the chicken for a few minutes before we go ahead and add the ham. The chicken is developing some color. It has been marinating for a few minutes, and that's exactly what we want. Now let's put in the 2 cups of ham. We're going to let the ham saute for a few minutes as well. Now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. Before we close the pot, let's make sure that all the ingredients are mixing well. After putting all the ingredients in, I changed the setting from saute to soup. The asopao will be ready in 30 minutes. If you don't have an Instant Pot or a pressure cooker, you can make it on the stove top. However, on the stove top, it's going to take you about an hour and a half. Hey, so the asopao is ready. This is what it looks like. It looks so good. And it tastes even better. Let's go ahead and serve it. And here you have it, guys. Chicken and ham asopao. We typically serve it with tostones and avocado. Enjoy. Now let's see what the asopao tastes like. It is so good. It's really good. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Check out other recipes. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.